Want to know the secret sauce behind families who stay wealthy for generations? It's not just about making money, it's about creating a legacy. Welcome to MoneyBrain. Today, we're diving into the secrets of building generational wealth. The strategies that keep wealth alive and thriving for decades. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start creating a financial legacy that lasts long after you're gone. First, let's get this straight. Rich is having money. Wealthy is building a system that keeps money growing. Think of it like this. Being rich is like having a full tank of gas. Being wealthy is like having a car that can generate its own fuel. It just keeps going. To build generational wealth, you need to think beyond yourself. It's not just about your lifestyle, but about creating opportunities for your kids, grandkids, and future generations. Ask yourself, are you building wealth for today or planting seeds for the future? The wealthy always think long-term. They understand that the real magic happens with compound growth over time. Shift your focus from spending to investing, from short-term gains to long-term growth. That's the foundation of building a legacy that lasts. Here's the golden rule. Generational wealth comes from assets, not income. Assets are things you own that put money in your pocket. Think stocks, real estate, businesses, intellectual property, anything that grows in value over time and can be passed down. Owning properties doesn't just give you passive income, it also gives your family something they can inherit and leverage in the future. Imagine passing down a rental property to your children. Start small, but think big. Even a modest rental property can turn into a significant source of wealth for your family over decades. Start building your asset portfolio today, and watch your family's wealth grow for generations to come. Chapter 3. No driver's ed, don't hand over the keys. Financial literacy is key. Money without knowledge is like a car without a driver. It won't go far. You can inherit $1 million, but without financial literacy, you're likely to end up right back where you started. One of the biggest mistakes people make is passing down wealth without passing down financial literacy. Teach your kids how to save, invest, and manage money wisely. Make it a part of their upbringing. Have open conversations about money at the dinner table. Let them make mistakes early on with smaller amounts so they can learn from them. Millionaires often start their children early by teaching them how to handle budgets or even start small businesses. These are invaluable life skills that will serve them far beyond any inheritance. Empower them with financial knowledge, and you'll be giving them a gift that keeps on giving. Chapter 4. Protect your legacy. The power of estate planning. You're building assets, you're teaching your kids about money, but here's the thing. Wealth doesn't transfer itself. You need a legacy plan. Think of it like a roadmap for your wealth, ensuring it ends up exactly where you want it to. This includes setting up wills, trusts, and estate planning to ensure your wealth is protected and distributed according to your wishes. Without a plan, your hard-earned wealth could be tied up in court, eaten up by taxes, or even end up in the wrong hands. A trust, for example, is a powerful tool to safeguard your assets and minimize taxes. It also helps ensure that your wealth is used responsibly by future generations. Work with a financial advisor or estate planner to set up a solid plan. They can guide you through the process and make sure everything is done right. Think of it as protecting your family's financial future. Chapter 5. Building a legacy that matters. Wealth with purpose. The most successful families, the ones who build lasting legacies, they don't just focus on the numbers. They focus on building wealth with a purpose. They don't just aim for financial gain. They align their wealth-building strategies with their values and goals. This could mean creating family businesses that provide jobs and opportunities. It could mean supporting philanthropic causes they're passionate about, like funding education, fighting poverty, or advancing medical research. When wealth serves a higher purpose, it becomes a legacy your family will proudly carry forward. It's about more than just money. It's about making a difference and leaving the world a better place. Let that purpose guide your decisions and inspire your family for generations to come. So here's the summary of the secrets to building generational wealth. Shift your mindset from rich to wealthy. Focus on assets that grow in value. Teach financial literacy to future generations. Create a legacy plan with wills and trusts. Build wealth with purpose. These are the pillars of lasting financial success, the keys to creating a legacy that transcends generations. Remember, building generational wealth isn't about being a millionaire overnight. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. Until next time, keep dreaming big, thinking smart, and building wealth for generations.